Lesson 34, Capacity. What does capacity mean? Capacity means how much a container can hold. For example, here we have a box of milk and a glass of milk. So let's talk about the box of milk. The box of milk can hold more milk than the glass. This means that it has more capacity, a higher capacity than the glass. Now let's talk about the glass of milk. The glass of milk can hold less than the box, which means that the glass has a lower capacity, a smaller capacity than the box of milk. Let's explore this using different objects. A battery. A battery that we can see, which is empty and which is fully charged. We can see this every day all around us on all of our technical devices. So if we look at the battery on the left, that's this. This battery is almost empty. It just has 1 bar left. This is when we start stressing, right? Now let's look at the battery on the right. This battery is fully charged. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 4 full bars. Now what does this mean? This means that the battery on the left has less capacity than the one on the right. Here we have popcorn boxes. We all love popcorn, we all love watching movies, so this is something we can relate to. This popcorn box, which is the one on the left, is emptier than the other. And this popcorn box on the right is fuller than the other. Can you see the difference? Let's explore a little more. Here we have 3 cups of, I think this is boba. I'd hope it's boba because we all love boba. This cup, which is our first cup from the left, is the emptiest, which means it has the lowest, the smallest amount of liquid in it. Now let's look at the second one. This cup is emptier than the first one. And let's look at our last cup. This cup is the fullest. This means it has the most, the highest. But let's go back to our second cup. This cup is now fuller than our first one. So can you see the difference? Can you see the difference between the cups? Our first cup has less. Our second cup has more, but it doesn't have the most. And our third cup has the most. This is showing 3 different capacity levels within a container. Now let us practice. Shade these to match the sentence below. So we have a battery that we now need to shade. Our word says empty. How do we shade a battery to show empty? Well, the answer is we don't, because it's empty. Let's look at our next example. Full. How do we show a full battery? That means we shade the entire battery in, like so. Our next one is half. Here we are showing half of the battery. That means our battery is at 50%. We only have half of the battery's full capacity. I hope this helped you understand what capacity is and what capacity means. You can find the capacity of things around you all the time. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, you should look at the fridge. You would be able to find so many different examples for capacity. Until next time, goodbye!